So the difference quotient, right? The difference quotient is defined like this, right? It's a difference and it's a quotient. F of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. What you see in the book in the portion of section 1, which does difference quotients, they don't always use f of x plus h. There's a couple of them that say f of x plus c, and then they divide by c, right? Or it might say f of 2 plus h minus f of 2, right? The one on the test is exactly like this. It'll say x plus h, and it even gives you the difference quotient, right? So you don't have to memorize it. It's just going to say, here's a function, do this, right? So the first step is always, how do you find f of x plus h if you have an equation for f of x? You plug in what? You plug in the x plus h, right? Here and here. So that'll be f of x plus h equals x plus h to the third plus x plus h. Now, how do you find x plus h to the third? Okay, it means x plus h times x plus h times x plus h, right? Yes. So you have to FOIL two of these, right? Which is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And then you have to multiply that by x plus h. Okay? In this case, I'll tell you that it equals x to the third plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h to the third plus x plus h. Okay, you can go ahead and multiply that to see, but that's what it equals. Okay, subtract the f of x. X to the third plus x. Okay, remember when you do the subtract, it should be that every term that does not have an h in it should cancel. So x to the third minus x to the third, cancel. X minus x, cancel. So what's left? 3x squared, so f of x plus h. Give it a second. X plus h minus f of x equals 3x squared h plus 3x h squared plus h to the third plus h. And then divide by h. Right? And every term, because every term has an h in it on the numerator, they'll be able to cancel the denominator. Right? This h will factor out with that h. It'll factor one of those h's. It'll factor one of those, leaving h squared. And it factors an h there, which leaves 1. H over h is 1. So what's left is 3x plus 3xh. What have I got wrong there? There was a squared on that x. Yeah. 3xh plus h squared plus 1. Okay. So that's a difference quotient.